National Cadet Corps, the second line of defense which gives a chance of wearing the best outfit, the uniform. With the motto of unity and discipline, it shapes you by imbibing comradeship, leadership, and team building. The largest uniformed youth organization. Drill to aid discipline, parades to improve bearing and smartness in appearance, on-field knowledge, sports activities to keep you fit, GDs, quizzes, and lectures to boost your self-confidence. Do you really think NCC is all about drill? Absolutely not. We have so much more.
Their psychological development through different activities and mental well-being and overall development is ensured.
Treks for adventure and a look into a different world. There's singing, dancing, acting, and many more. We are the Spartans of every event. A chance to march on Rajpath. Represent India on a global level. An opportunity to get trained like a soldier.
The only youth organization to handle arms.
An opportunity to do something unique. Pushing your limits or simply to be a better version of yourself. We have a record of serving society under the leadership of NCC. Vaccination drives, where we have vaccinated more than 3,500 people who were completely unaware of online platforms. Hasiru, it's a tree plantation drive to save our Mother Earth, one tree at a time. Freedom Run, blood donation camp, orphanage visit, lake cleaning activities. And COVID didn't stop us. We conducted fitness sessions every day for various age groups, talks and interactive sessions from young achievers and many more. Here is an organization which gives you opportunity to train in various fields. Best institution for 3 consecutive years.
Do you have what it takes in you? You just have to be passionate and curious to experience a wholesome journey. It's time to polish the diamond that you are and shine with enthusiasm and discipline. NCC RVC is always striding in grooming cadets, in being better citizens, making an impact in the society.
NCC RVC brings to you a venture for a voyage on a big adventure. Tie up your shoelace and be ready to be a part of our big happy family.
Jai Hind.